Alright, here we got a HP ProBook 450 G2. CMOS battery or real-time clock battery is dead in it, so it will not keep the time. In order to replace it, you got to take the entire laptop pretty much apart. Here's an easy way to do it. The battery just lies right behind here, right behind this plastic. We're just going to cut it away and pop in a new battery. Don't cut too deep. Voila, there it is. Pop out the old battery. Put in the new one. Clean up some of this plastic around here. Done. That'll save you a lot of time and effort.